Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment gateway in Zoho Invoice. So first things first, you're gonna open your browser and you wanna go to Zoho Invoice. And once you're here, you wanna log in into your account. Then you're going to click on Access Zoho Invoice. And once you're here, you wanna go ahead and navigate to the settings, which is located over here at the top right. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on Online Payments. And over at this page, this is where you can set up your payment method or your payment gateway. So if you scroll down onto this page, you'll be able to see all of the available payment methods. So you want to go ahead and select the payment method that works best for you. And once you've selected one, just click on Setup Now. And then it will redirect you to the platform's website where you will have to enter your payment details or your credentials. Or if you are going to use PayPal, then it will ask you to log in into your account. And once you've done that, it will automatically connect with Zoho Invoice. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.